Hi, my name is Rafael Brunis. I'm 35 years old. I did create Pandora Coaching in order to help people to be better. So after 10 years playing poker and 10 years competing at the high level of skateboarding, now I have a good insight on how to success physically and mentally. And that's what I want to share with Pandora Coaching. I do it through internet. One-on-one meeting where we speak about some concepts and we apply them. And I help you to apply them and to understand them better. It can be from someone who never practiced sport, who wants to be introduced to sport. It can be someone that is really athletical already and who has a hard time to become better. You choose what you want to work on. And so it's not a pre-designed program. It would be really a program that I do shape only for you. It can be only the mental skills or only the physical skills, or it can be a mix of both. You decide. It's not something that I have a book and I make you like there is lesson 1, lesson 2. It's nothing like that. I speak with you, I get to know you, and then I design something that would fit perfect for you, in my opinion. I had like 10 years old when I did start skateboarding, and I think this helped me to know myself better and to know how to work with myself in a way that people are not used to work. I didn't follow any program to be a coach. When I started skateboarding, there was no coach, no school. So I did have to learn how to get better myself, okay? How to improve, how to work on myself. And I got good at it. And I did exactly the same in poker, using exactly the same technique, how to become good at studying myself. And today, with Pandora Coaching, I'm sharing those techniques with other people from other areas than poker and skateboarding, and it's working great. Every single human has his own limits, mentally and physically. The purpose of Pandora Coaching is to surpass yourself, break those limits, and make you every day better.